Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to the new video where we'll discuss the further part of the lesson, and that is the last part of the lesson. Okay, almost last topic, last part is remain of the lesson, air and water. That is purification of drinking water. Okay, as you can see on the board, purification of drinking water. Okay, today's subtopic is purification of drinking water. The very simple topic, let me tell you first of all. As you all know, the water we get from rain is not pure for drinking. Okay, we need to drink clean water, and we need to drink pure water. Okay, so what are the ways to purify the water? The water which are coming to our homes from from the local bodies, the water is coming from our homes is going through some process, and then only we are getting the water at homes. Okay, let us see what are the process. First of all, let me tell you what are the simple ways to purify water. At homes, we can boil water for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, at our homes, we can boil water for up to 10 minutes for purification of water. To purify the water, it will kill all the germs almost. If you boil the water, it will kill all the germs, and this is the simple way of purify the water. Okay, no cost, very easy, nothing to understand. Take the water, just heat it for 10 minutes. When the water start boiling, it will kill all the germs and you will get pure water to drink. This is the simplest way to purify the water. Second thing, the water which are having germs in it will be purified into the purification center. Okay, now let us see how do we get water at our homes. Okay, first of all, the drinking water that is supplied to our homes by the taps is fit for drinking, is a pure one. फिर ऐसा क्या होता होगा कि हमारे घर में जो पानी आता है नल का, टैप वाटर, which is pure, we consider pure water. So डायरेक्ट वो वाटर डैम से तो नहीं आता है, डैम से आके कहीं और जाता होगा. इन एवरी सिटीज देयर इज अ प्यूरिफिकेशन सेंटर, पीसी. देयर आर प्यूरिफिकेशन सेंटर इन विच वाटर इज कमिंग with the help of pipe. Water is collecting with the help of pipe from dam, from well, whatever water bodies is the present in that particular city. The water is getting collected from the place, from the dam to the purification center with the help of huge pipes. And then at the purification center, the process is happening. What is the process which is happening in the purification center, PC? Every cities will have one purification center. जैसे हमारे पुसद में भी प्यूरिफिकेशन सेंटर है. मैंने ये आपको पहले भी बोला था जब आप क्लास 3rd या 4th में थे. एड्रेस भी दिया था, और मैंने ये भी कहा था कि यू कैन गो एंड हैव अ विजिट टू द प्यूरिफिकेशन सेंटर. डायरेक्ट डैम में से पानी हमारे घर में नहीं आता पाइप से. कैन वी ड्रिंक डायरेक्ट द वाटर विच इज इन द डैम? ओके, इन अवर पुसद देयर इज अ डैम. मे बी दारवा, दिग्रस, अदर सिटी विल हैव वेल, विल हैव पॉन्ड. हर सिटी में अलग अलग वाटर बॉडीज हो सकती है, बट हमारे घर में जो पानी आता है, वॉट एवर वाटर वी आर गेटिंग बाय द टैप, we consider that is the purest water, clean water. So direct we are getting water from the dam which is not clean. So in between there is a purification center. Okay, first water is collected from the dam with the help of the huge pipes, and then some process will happen at the purification center, and then only we can get the water at our homes. Then the water will goes to the tank, and from tank in our tap, in your basin tap, the water will be reaching. Let us discuss in detail what are the process has to be happen at the purification center. First of all, the very famous, which already we have discussed, sedimentation. Sedimentation is nothing but all the impurities which are not soluble. Insoluble impurities will be settled down. It is called sedimentation. Simple. Maybe the water from the dam will have stone, pebble, sand, piece of paper, कुछ भी हो सकता है. These all things will be settled at the bottom. That is called sedimentation. सबसे पहले तो बॉस हमें सेडिमेंट करना पड़ेगा. सारे इम्प्यूरिटीज वाटर के लेवल के नीचे टैंक में जमा करनी पड़ेगी और जो क्लीन वाटर है वो किसी और टैंक में डालना पड़ेगा. द वाटर इज क्लीन, लेट मी टेल यू, द वाटर इज नॉट प्योर. जब भी हमने स्मॉल इम्प्यूरिटीज उसकी मे बी जो लार्जर इम्प्यूरिटीज है वो हमने सेटल करा के पानी दूसरे टैंक में ले लिया है, बट फिर भी हम वाटर क्लीन है, प्योर नहीं है. मे बी जर्म्स आर प्रेजेंट इन इट, मे बी स्मॉल इम्प्यूरिटीज आर प्रेजेंट इन इट. ओके, नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस. हाँ, हियर वन मोर थिंग. जब हम हमारे घर में सेडिमेंटेशन करते हैं तो दैट टाइम वी आर नॉट यूजिंग वन केमिकल इज देयर. ओके, द केमिकल इज केमिकल्स, impurities sedimentation में some chemicals needs to be added to increase the rate of sedimentation, because here we need to do for the large level. पूरे सिटी के लिए पानी क्लीन करना है हमें, तो वहां पे some chemicals will be added to increase the rate of sedimentation. हो गया sedimentation? Okay, sedimentation is the first process. सबसे पहला, the simple way to pure water at our home for a small level. अगर छोटी फैमिली है, 2-3 people रहते हैं, मम्मी पापा एंड चिल्ड्रन, how to purify the water? Boil the water. Take the water into container, keep it on the gas stove, heat it for 10 minutes. पानी उबलना शुरू हो गया, बंद कर दो, उसको ठंडा करके पियो. सिंपल वे. The simplest way to purify the water is to boil the water. It will kill almost 100% germs. But ये हर फैमिली में पॉसिबल नहीं होता. तो let us talk about the purification center. First, sedimentation process happen. Sedimentation. I hope you all are clear with it and सबको ये learn हो रहा है. Sedimentation. Second process. Aeration. Okay, AERATION. Aeration is what? Aeration is nothing but air which is clean air. What is called it? Oxygen. What is called? Oxygen. So aeration is the process in which the oxygen content of water is increased. Whatever water sedimentation के बाद में जो भी पानी है उसका ऑक्सीजन कंटेंट इंक्रीज किया जाता है with the help of aeration. So I will write here oxygen content of water is increased in this process. I am not writing anything for sedimentation because you all know sedimentation क्या है, आप सबको पता है अच्छे से. तो aeration न्यू है आपके लिए. तो aeration is nothing but the oxygen content. You all know water is having oxygen in it, H2O. What is the formula of water? H2O. 2 molecules of hydrogen and 1 of oxygen. So oxygen is there in the water obviously. So oxygen content of water will be increased in the process of aeration. Third process is filtration. अरे we all know what is filtration. हमने अभी filtration देखा है. Filtration is nothing but when water pour through filter paper. When clean water pour through filter paper is called filtration. Here filtration happens on the very large scale. Okay, here filtration after sedimentation, finer impurities. Finer, अभी हमने sedimentation कर दिया है तो big impurities तो हमारी पहले ही निकल चुकी है. But अभी छोटी impurity हो सकती है, maybe small impurities, finer impurities will be removed using a filter paper. Using a filter paper, and this is happening with the help of filtration. And last process जो होता है प्यूरिफिकेशन सेंटर में वो है क्लोरीनेशन. क्लोरीनेशन, व्हाट इज क्लोरीनेशन? यू नो क्लोरीन? क्लोरीन इज अ केमिकल यूज्ड टू प्योर वाटर. ओके, ओके, वी यूज प्योर वाटर. यस, chlorination is a process adding chlorine to the water. You know, nowadays chlorine tablets are easily available at the medical shop. Go to the physician, ask for chlorine tablets. People are even using chlorine tablets. You know, मार्ट होता है घर पे कंटेनर, उसमें 2-3 अगर आप क्लोरीन की टैबलेट डाल देते हो एज पर वाटर लेवल, you will get clean water. Sorry, you will get pure water. Okay, chlorine is the chemical used for purify the water. Okay, simple process है, क्लोरीन टैबलेट डाल दो, water will be pure. So chlorine is added to the water to kill the harmful germs found in water. See, chlorination can be done at any point during water purification process. Chlorination कभी भी हो सकता है water purification के process पे, ठीक है? And after chlorination, the water is so pure and then will be supplied to our homes. The water now is supplied to our homes. That's why we can say the tap water, नल का पानी, tap water is the clean water and is a pure water to drink. But अगर कहीं पाइपलाइन डैमेज है तो it is the duty of Nagar Parishad Council or whatever the local bodies is into the government, is into the force, has to check all these things. मे बी आपके घर पे जो पानी आता है वो प्यूरिफिकेशन सेंटर से निकल के टैंक तक तो आता है अच्छे से, बट टैंक से जो पाइपलाइन आपके घर तक है अगर वो कहीं डैमेज है, और जहां पे वो पाइपलाइन डैमेज है वहीं पे अगर कोई any dirty things will be there, it can mix up in the water. So always clean the water or pure water by boiling, which is the very safest and the simplest way of purification. Nowadays people are having RO, okay, सबके घर पे फिल्टर है, RO, UV, all these things are there nowadays, okay. So this is the process of purification of drinking water. Hope you all are very clear with it. So that's all for today. We'll be discussing in the next video the revision part, and then we'll have to see the exercise. Okay. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.